Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurum Vaishnava.
Believe that Krishna Das all trouble. Your department is university?
Yes, University of California. Irvine.
Relativity, just explain, what is that?
Everything in this material world is all relative. Nothing is absolute. For example, time and space is all relative terms. There is nothing absolute. That means something is bigger than something. If we compare two things, like small ball and the big ball, the big ball is big enough compared with the small one. Same thing, if we compare the length of certain pole, that length will be relative to a certain standard. So everything is related.
So, on the strength of law of relativity, we have to accept law.
God is absolute.
God is only absolute. Everything is relative. God is great, that is absolute. Otherwise, anything, it is great and small, small. Yes. God is great, that is absolute. Otherwise, anything, it is great and small, small.
Compared to him, everything is great.
Yes. Absolute, and there must be relative also.
They were just reading the literature.
Uh-huh.
And they came to our house with the shaman number of times.
I'm devotee.
Yeah.
From there.
Okay. They went on a tour,
Ah.
and they came